Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to clean C drive in Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I found the best way is to use Storage Sense. So Windows 11 has a built-in cleanup tool called Storage Sense. So click on your Windows key and click onto I, and that's going to open up settings like so. Now you want to go ahead and click on the System tab on the left hand side. Now on the right, look for Storage. Here it is here. Click into Storage. Now you might notice under Storage Management, we've got Storage Sense. So automatic free up space, delete temporary files, and manage locally available cloud content. So go ahead and click onto that. We can go ahead and open it up as well. Now from here, at the bottom of the page, it will say Run Storage Sense now. So go ahead and click on Run Storage Sense. Cleaning up files, this may take a few minutes. Now, after that, it will tell you the stats. So, done. We were able to free up 9.37 gigabytes of disk space. So, yeah, this is such a cool tool to use to clean up your C drive in Windows 11.